Have you ever stopped to think about how you pay for things? Not just what you buy, but how the money actually moves from your pocket or your account to someone else's. In a world that's constantly evolving, where technology is reshaping every aspect of our lives, the way we handle our finances is no exception. We've gone from bartering goods, to carrying around heavy bags of coins, to paper currency, and now, to an increasingly digital landscape where money feels less tangible than ever before. For centuries, cash was king. It was simple, immediate, and universally understood. You hand over some bills, you get your goods or services. Then came checks, offering a bit more security and a way to transfer larger sums without carrying wads of cash. They introduced a paper trail, a record, and the involvement of banks as intermediaries. And now, we have a dizzying array of digital options, with Venmo standing out as a prime example of the peer-to-peer payment revolution. It's fast, often free, and incredibly convenient for splitting bills with friends or sending money to family. But with all these choices, how do you know which one is best for your needs? Is cash still relevant in a world obsessed with contactless payments? Are checks an outdated relic, or do they still hold a valuable place in our financial toolkit? And is Venmo truly the future of money, or does its convenience come with hidden costs or risks? These aren't just theoretical questions. Your choice of payment method can impact your security, your privacy, your record keeping, and even your peace of mind. So, in this deep dive, we're going to break down the ins and outs of Venmo, cash, and checks. We'll explore their unique advantages, their inherent drawbacks, and when each method shines brightest. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which payment method to reach for in different situations, empowering you to make smarter financial decisions. Let's start with the undisputed heavyweight champion of traditional payments, cash. Cash, in its simplest form, is physical currency, banknotes, and coins. For thousands of years, it was the only way to transact. Even today, despite the rise of digital alternatives, cash remains incredibly prevalent, particularly for small transactions. The most immediate advantage of cash is its universality. Almost everyone, everywhere, accepts cash. You don't need a smartphone, an internet connection, or a bank account. This makes it incredibly inclusive, especially for those without access to traditional banking services. Imagine a bustling local market in a remote village. Cash is the lifeblood of that economy. Secondly, cash offers immediacy. When you hand over cash, the transaction is settled instantly. There's no waiting for funds to clear, no processing delays, no pending transactions. The recipient has the money in their hand, right then and there. This can be a huge benefit for small businesses that need immediate access to funds, or for individuals in a pinch. Then there's the aspect of privacy. Cash transactions are largely anonymous. They don't leave a digital trail, which can be appealing to those who value their financial privacy. No data is being collected on your spending habits, no algorithms are analyzing your purchases. For some, this anonymity is a significant advantage in an increasingly surveilled world. Cash also helps with budgeting. When you have a finite amount of physical cash in your wallet, it's easier to visualize your spending and stick to a budget. It's a tangible representation of your money, which can prevent overspending, unlike the seemingly endless limits of a credit card or digital wallet. However, cash comes with significant drawbacks. The most obvious is security. Carrying large amounts of cash makes you a target for theft. If it's lost or stolen, it's almost impossible to recover. There's no undo button, no fraud protection from a bank. You're simply out of luck. Another major disadvantage is the lack of a paper trail. While this offers privacy, it also makes it incredibly difficult to track your spending, reconcile accounts, or prove a transaction took place. For businesses, this can be a nightmare for accounting and auditing. Cash is also inconvenient for large transactions and remote payments. Imagine trying to pay for a car or rent with thousands of dollars in cash. It's cumbersome, risky, and often impractical. And forget about online shopping or sending money to someone across the country. Cash simply doesn't work for those scenarios. Finally, there's the issue of hygiene. Especially in a post-pandemic world, handling physical currency that has passed through countless hands can be a concern for some. Moving on to the more formal, and arguably more secure, payment method, checks. Checks have been around for centuries, evolving from simple handwritten notes to standardized forms. They represent a written order to your bank to pay a specific amount of money from your account to another person or entity. One of the primary advantages of checks is their record-keeping capability. Every check you write creates a physical record of the transaction. The check itself, your check register, and your bank statement all serve as evidence of payment. This makes checks invaluable for tracking expenses, managing finances, and resolving disputes. For businesses, checks provide an important audit trail. Checks also offer a certain level of security against theft, compared to cash. If a blank check is stolen, it's not immediately usable without a signature and specific information. And if a check is lost or stolen after being written, you can often put a stop payment on it through your bank, preventing the funds from being cashed. Furthermore, checks facilitate delayed payment. Unlike cash, where funds are transferred instantly, checks take time to clear. This float period can be beneficial for cash flow management, allowing you to write a check even if the funds aren't immediately available, knowing they will be by the time the check clears. Checks are also widely accepted for formal payments, such as rent, utility bills, or payments to contractors and businesses that may not have advanced digital payment systems. Many organizations still prefer checks for their robust record-keeping and established legal framework. However, checks have some significant downsides. The most notable is their slow processing time. It can take several business days for a check to clear, meaning the funds aren't immediately available to the recipient. This delay can be frustrating and impractical in many modern scenarios. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.